Hello. Welcome. This is VK Ghana on Twitter. Okay, so for today we are going to look through a number of items concerning Ghana in West Africa. Okay, so the first one is aimed at the New Patriotic Party. They are now in opposition, they are no longer in government. But a question arises regarding the PFM Act, the Public Financial Management Act, Act 921, 2016. We want to know from the MPP regarding SOEs or state-owned enterprises. We want to know how many of these state-owned enterprises under the MPP abided by sections 80 and 95 of the PFM Act, and we want to know how many of them submitted their audited financials by the end of April 2024. So the MPP government, which is now in a position, we need answers to this question. Okay, the second issue is the National Home Ownership Fund, which is one of the state-owned enterprises. Okay, the GREDA, the Ghana Real Estate Development Association, was lobbying and advocating that the government, which was the NPP government, should review the mortgage finance law. Okay, we don't know what the government did, whether or not GREDA was hacking to this plea of the GREDA was hacking to. So if the MPP government can provide us with some answers in that regard. Okay, and on that same tangent, there is the Public Financial Management Act 2016, and there is the State Ownership Report for 2023, and you can see that on page numbered 16 or on slide number 18 of the State Ownership Report 2023, we can see the SOE, which is the National Mortgage Housing Fund. It seems we've not been hearing so much about them, but for 2023 financial year, they refused to submit a signed full year or financial year performance contracts. So they breached the PFM Act. Also, this same entity, the National Mortgage Housing Fund, failed to submit a quarterly report. Another breach of the Public Financial Management Act. I hope you enjoyed this session. Hopefully in our next session we would take a look at the telecoms chamber, which we are labeling as a non-compliant entity with regards to ISO 27701 regarding biometric data and SIM registration. Thank you and bye.